Today I'm going to attempt to make microwave tapioca. I'm too lazy to use a pot and a stove because that requires a lot of equipment and a lot of time, and I read some articles on the internet, and if I just microwave water and tapioca balls, it should work. So here's my attempt. I actually do have the classic tapioca balls, the ones you buy in your Chinese supermarket. And even if it says ready in 5 minutes, I just want to microwave it, so yeah. So I'm gonna put a couple scoops in here. Let's just not use a lot because I don't want to waste a lot if I do this wrong. And then I think I have to add some water. A couple drops. See that. And then it's gonna go into the microwave. I'll try to mix. And now we wait. It's done. Smells like tapioca. That's the consistency, but some of them didn't get microwaved, so I'm gonna put a little more water. So you can see that it obviously failed because it's gooey, but the tapioca balls aren't completely cooked. That's why it's still the white center. I think I microwaved it for 3 minutes and it's still like this, but I'm really thirsty, so I'll eat anything. So I'm just gonna combine my milk in here. And I spilled a lot. And my matcha. Add more milk. And hope it tastes good. So if you have any suggestions, yeah, just tell me.